Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is fine and well. In this video, I'm going to show you a better way of joining multiple cells. Let's take the example of this data. We have a first name, a middle name, a last name. And let's say we want to join these three as full name in this column. Usually what people do is that they use the concatenate formula like this. Select the first cell, then they put a space, then select the second cell, again put a space, and then select the last cell. Press enter and you have your full name. But let's see what happens when we drag it down. So what happens if we use the concatenate formula is that if there is a blank cell like this, and this, there are three blank cells. So what happens is that the concatenate formula puts an extra space. So if you can notice, there are two spaces between Ken and Adams. Instead, there should have been one. So to avoid that, we will use the TEXTJOIN formula. TEXTJOIN delimiter is the character that you want to put between the names. So since we want a space, so delimiter will be a space within the inverted commas. Now, do you want to ignore empty cells or include them? So surely in this case, we want to ignore them. Now the third part is you select a range. I'll select A2 to C2, which has the first name, middle name and last name. Close the braces and press enter. Now when we fill the other cells with this formula by double clicking this, you can see now that there is a single space between the first and last names where there is no middle name. So this is a better way of concatenating or joining multiple cells. Instead of using the concatenate formula, use the TEXTJOIN formula. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until the next video, take care. Allah Hafiz.